today, surprise, surprise, the big four banks put their rates up. Hello again, it's Martin North from Digital Finance Analytics. Welcome to this post covering finance and property news with a particularly Australian flavour. Borrowers at the big four banks will see variable rates rise by 25 basis points as all the majors have announced that they're going to pass on the RBA's full rate hike. ANZ, the Commonwealth Bank, National Australia Bank and Westpac have all announced interest rates on their loan products by 25 basis points. And of course, that follows on from yesterday's Reserve Bank announcement to lift interest rates by 0.25%, the first time in nearly 12 years. And you must expect all the other lenders to follow suit and raise their rates in due course. Standard variable interest rates for Australian home and residential investment loans, ANZ, will increase by 0.25%, bringing the index rate to 4.64%. for those making principal and interest repayments and 5.19% for those on interest-only repayments. It estimates 25 basis point change would increase monthly repayments by $57 on an average home loan of $450,000 for an owner-occupier paying P&I. And all their variable rate changes are effective from the 13th of May 2022. Speaking of the decision, ANZ's Group Executive Australia Retail, Maylee Carnegie, said, "In making this decision, we considered various factors, including the change in the official cash rate, along with the impact on our customers and our business performance. While this change will impact customers in different ways, home loan customers are generally well placed to manage rising rates, with around 70% of accounts ahead on repayments, many of them by 2 years or more. Household and business deposits are also at record highs. However, we know some people are going to do it tough, and we encourage any ANZ home loan customers facing difficulty to contact us so we can work through a range of support options we have available," they said. For CBA home loan customers, standard variable rates for owner-occupiers will increase 25 basis points to 4.8% for those on P&I repayments and to 5.29% for those on interest-only repayments. Investors will see P&I repayments rise by the same amount to 5.38%, while investors making interest-only repayments will see rates rise to 5.64%. And the new home loan variable interest rate will take effect on the 20th of May. The Group Executive Retail Banking, Angus Sullivan, said, "This is an important time to support customers, as some may not have experienced an interest rate increase since they took out their loans. We're here to help customers who have loans and are considering how repayments may change. Some options available to help our customers manage repayments include fixing or splitting loans or setting one offset account." As well as hiking rates for mortgagors by 25 basis points, NAB also confirmed that it will increase interest rates on savings accounts, which have been at record lows. The standard variable home loan rate will increase by 0.25% to 4.77%, and the reward saver bonus interest rate will increase by 0.25%. And according to the bank, a NAB owner-occupier customer paying principal interests on a 30-year $400,000 mortgage will see repayments rise by around $57 a month. That's for a NAB Choice Package variable rate of 3.67%. And NAB's new consumer savings and home loan rates will be effective from the 13th of May. NAB Group Executive Personal Banking Rachel Slade said, "Supporting customers through the change is a priority for NAB. Interest rates have been very low for a long time. It's been 11 years since the official cash rate in Australia last increased, and we know this will be a new experience for some customers. We'll look after our customers if they find changes to interest rates challenging." And she highlighted that the bank has online resources to help borrowers access information about how to manage changes to their home loan, and has also made it easier for customers to switch from variable to fixed rates in the NAB app. And she went on, "While we have 930,000 home loan customers, the historic low interest rates have been difficult for our savings and deposit customers, including more than 1.3 million customers with a reward saver account. We want to support them as interest rates rise again." And like NAB, Westpac is also passing on the full 25 basis point rise to both mortgagors and savers. Both new and existing home loan customers will be subject to a rate increase on home loans, with the standard variable rate rising to 4.73% for those on P&I repayments. And Westpac will also increase interest rates for selected consumer deposit accounts at Westpac Life and Westpac 55 Plus and retired by 0.25%. Westpac's new rates will take effect from the 17th of May 2022. We have made the decision to increase our standard variable rate for home loan and selected consumer deposit customers following the increase in the official cash rate. Chris De Bruin, Westpac's Chief Executive Consumer and Business Banking, said, "We know many of our customers were able to build up their savings during the pandemic, and 70% of home loan customers are ahead on their repayments, helping put them in the best position to withstand an interest rate rise. And we're also increasing interest rates on some of our most popular products for savers, which will provide some relief following a period of record low interest rates. We know that some home loan customers may still experience difficulty, and we encourage these customers to call us as soon as possible so our specialist customer teams can work with them to tailor a financial solution." And all four major banks have outlined that any customers experiencing hardship or seeking help to manage repayments should contact their bank. However, given that more than 2/3 of all home loans are now written by mortgage brokers will also be very busy, I think, helping their clients understand the new environment and helping borrowers consider their ability to repay. And I want to make this point too. These rate rises are the first of a number. So what you should be thinking about, not just the current increase, but how you're going to cope over the next few months as rates rise. Phil Lowe said 2.5% cash rate could be the terminal rate. That would put mortgage rates up close to 7%. And it would be worth understanding now what a 7% payment rate on a mortgage would look like for you, because then you've got time to plan and prioritise. Being forewarned is definitely forearmed. I'm Martin North from Digital Finance Analytics. Many thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time.